Hello, welcome. Episode 37, still on dynamic mechanics. In this episode, we are dealing with conservation of what? Linear momentum. So a body of mass 0.002 kilogram moving with a velocity of 90 meter per second collide with a body of mass m kg moving in the same direction with a velocity of 20 meter per second. We have to find m if both bodies move with a common velocity of 70 meter per seconds. So let's see if we can pick before collision what happened. So before collision, we can have this body traveling and another body also traveling in the same direction, right? So the m1 and the m2 with initial velocity here is 90 meter per second. Then the initial velocity of the second one is 20 meter per second. If the mass here is going to be 0.002 kg and the mass of this is just given as what? M kg. Now, after they collide, so let's see. So after collision, here they say the body collide and stick together. So we can see this body and this body, M1, M2, now stick together, moving with what? A common velocity, which is given to us as what? 70 meter per second. So we can only conclude by saying that by the principles of conservation of linear momentum, I will not write off. You can conclude that we are going to have the momentum before, the sum of the momentum before is equals to the sum of momentum after, which is m1, m2 multiplying this. So the only thing we can do now is to do substitution of values into this formula. I should be having 0.02 multiplying the first velocity of 90 plus the mass of m times this give you 20m equals to first mass, which is 0.0. So we have 0.002 plus m, and that is multiplied by what? 70. Okay, let's put a 70 there. Okay, so now let's multiply and see what the values are going to be. That will give us 0.18 plus 20m equals to, we are going to multiply 70 by the 0.02, that will give you 0.14 plus 70 what? M. Now let's put the m's together and put the decimals together. So 0.18 minus 0.14 equals to 70m minus 20 what? M, by grouping of what? Like terms. And I'm sure this will give us 0.4, but let's cross check. So we are going to have here 0.04 equals to 50m. By that subtraction, your m will now be equals to 0.04 divided by what? 50. And let's see. And if you do that, you should be having 0.008. Therefore, the value of what? M is going to be 0.000, I think 3 zeros, 8 kg. Alright. I guess this is also clear based on the principles of conservation of what? Linear momentum. If you have a question, leave that in the comment section as we keep learning together. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.